Is it still a good idea to sell on Amazon in 2023? Amazon is a great marketplace and you can get started selling on Amazon no matter what level of seller you are. But Amazon is also a competitive marketplace, so how can you compete with large and established sellers? Focus on these 3 ways. Let's get started. Reducing costs and improving margins. One of the strengths of large sellers and established brands is their size.
Economies of scale is a term frequently used in microeconomics to describe situations in which, as your business grows, you can produce at a lower cost per unit.
The bigger your production, the lower your costs and the higher your margins. But how can you, as somebody that's starting out on Amazon, improve your margins and reduce your costs? First of all, think about finding the right supplier. So just when you start a launch or when you want to launch a product, make sure that you talk to multiple suppliers because you're going to find the supplier that's willing to give you a really good price. So keep trying to find good suppliers and don't just settle for the first supplier that you meet. Number 2, packaging is also very important. So when you sell products on Amazon, packaging takes a very big part of your FBA costs as well as your shipping costs when you ship your products internationally over to the Amazon warehouse. So consider starting out with very simple, small and lightweight packaging rather than bulky and large packaging because it does affect your bottom line. And number 3, increasing your AOV or your average order value. In order to calculate your average order value, you need to look at your total revenue, divide that by the number of the orders, and that's how you get your AOV. The higher your AOV, the more sales you're going to be making. You can work with Amazon in order to get Amazon to recognize that you have multiple products on the platform and maybe recommend them through the frequently bought together box. You can also do things like increasing the variation, such as selling a set of products rather than one single product. That way you can increase your average order value and increase your sales. Now, before I continue and talk about keywords, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, you like this video, and leave me a comment in the comment section below. And if you want an agency that can help you with all of the services required to become a successful seller on Amazon, make sure that you reach out to the Amazon Sellers Society. I'll leave the link in the description box of this video. You can also go to our website and book a consultation call. So let's move on to number 2, picking the right keywords. So assuming that you know how keywords operate on Amazon, let's say that you are launching a product such as these wireless earbuds. When you want to launch a product and you're a new seller and you're going into a very competitive marketplace, you need to make sure that you choose the right keywords that you're going to be able to rank for, but mostly the keywords that you're going to be able to advertise for without having to spend a ridiculous amount of money. So this product, you should not be focusing on the main keyword, which is earbuds or earphones, but rather on longer tail keywords such as wireless Bluetooth earbuds or wireless Bluetooth earphones. These keywords can be a little bit low ranking, but they also need to have a good search volume so that your product can also get ranked and so that it can be discovered by Amazon customers. And moving on to number 3, optimizing your listing. You have to have amazing images, helpful text, and the right keywords. And additionally, if you can get A+ content as well as video on your listings, then you're building a really, really good product page, which can compete with any large brand on Amazon. The reason why you want to focus on optimizing your listing or optimizing your product page is that you want to build trust. So customers, when they want to log into a product page, they want to feel that they're making the right decision by parting with their hard-earned money and purchasing your product. So all of the work that you're doing on that product page is actually to build the trust and to show the customer that, yeah, this is the right decision, this is the right product for you. I'm not going to go into details about creating a good listing or optimizing it. I've done a lot of videos on the channel, so I'll leave all of the links to those videos in the description box of this video. But make sure that if you really have faith in the product that you're selling, put that energy, put that thought into your listing and customers will buy. Again, if you need any help and support, if you want to find the right product, create the right listing with the right keywords and the right PPC strategy, do reach out to us so that we can support you. And yes, to answer the question that I started this video off, it is still an incredible opportunity. It will always be an incredible opportunity because e-commerce is growing, especially in the MENA region. So if you're thinking of starting, then this is the right time for you to get started. There's no better time like today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.